So what if you combine different other sprouts along with broccoli sprouts? Will that increase the bioavailability of sulforaphane? Well, they actually did a clinical studies where they actually combined with the broccoli sprouts, radish, rape, and rocket sprouts along with the broccoli sprouts, and it did not significantly increase the amount of sulforaphane. It did increase some other healthy compounds, but not sulforaphane. They found that if you just ate the broccoli sprouts on its own, that had the most amount of bioavailability of sulforaphane. And if you want to find out why sulforaphane is so beneficial for women, then make sure you hit subscribe, because remember, makeup is an art, skincare is a science. See you in the next video.